I'm bringing you 4 tips to help you make a decision when it comes to hiring a cleaning company. My name is Nicole with Lavender Lush Cleaning, and I'm going to give you some easy tips when you're making a decision on hiring a cleaning company. Now, the very first thing you want to consider is the company using subcontractors or W-2 employees? And there's a huge difference between the two, but not a lot of people understand that. If you use a company with subcontractors, they are not actually employees of the company. They should not be wearing a uniform. They do not receive any formal training through the company. They are not given any equipment or supplies. A subcontractor is expected to come with the knowledge, skills, and abilities to do the job, and they are expected to have their own equipment. Now, if you use a company that has W-2 employees, you should expect to see them coming in uniform, which is great if you want to know who's coming into your home and have them be easily identifiable. You also can expect them to have received training through the company, which should be standard across the board so that there is consistency and quality on every single job. And another thing that will play into consistency and quality is that all of those W-2 employees should have the same standard equipment and supplies. An easy way to find out if a company is using subcontractors or W-2 employees is to simply ask. Now, the second tip is that you want to make sure the company is insured and is running background checks on all of its people. Now, if a company is using a subcontractor, the subcontractor should be providing their own insurance. If you are using a company with W-2 employees, that company should be running background checks on all of their employees and maintaining their own insurance. All right, and the third tip is to look for a company with good reviews. Now, this is obvious. I didn't even think I should mention it, but it's just so important that I had to. Look for reviews, look for recommendations, and look at how the company communicates with people in their reviews as well. Tip number 4. You want to find a company that has great communication skills. This is so important because you want to be able to communicate, you want to be able to ask questions and get answers. So find a company that is very responsive in a very timely manner, very friendly, and that communicates very well. So those are my 4 tips when it comes to hiring a cleaning company. I hope that helps, and if you are looking for someone in Davis or Weber County in Utah, give us a call at the number below. See you next time.